How to add charm using candle holders. Are you thinking to use glass candle holders? Candles and romance are forever tied together, sort of joined at the hip. But if you're not a true romantic, and let's face it, most of us only wish we were at convenient times, you probably don't think about using candles as a primary element in room decorations. But you might want to think that. Steps. 1. Realize that what you place the candle in is what it's all about. And think in. You can use the usual candle holders that are really just bases to set a candle on, where you can step up the style and find glass candle holders that you set a candle in, like a tall glass shape. A sleek fitted bowl. Like adult versions of those tea light cups, with style. 2. Imagine this. Next to your fabulous collection of blue depression glass you place 10-inch cut glass candle holders. Think about it. 3. In your eclectic living room, never really left college, did you? Set 3 really different candle holders together. Or 3 identically shaped candle holders in 3 contrasting colors, or 3 different styles in identical colors, because you really are trying to act grown up. 4. Jazz up the dining table. For the holiday centerpiece, use a beautiful footed floating candle bowl as the centerpiece. You can fill it with water and candles, or greenery, napkins, melon balls, etc. 5. Consider wall candle holders. These are also known as wall sconces. Wall sconces add wonderful charm to your home wall. 6. Use candles for Halloween fun. Candles in glass candle holders are the ideal way to add safety and an eerie lighting to your front door. 7. Light your driveway. In that same spirit, they're wonderful upgrades to the sand-filled paper bags with candles. Use the bags to line your driveway and use candle holders for the porch, deck and entry. 8. Fix other things. Ugh, that, insert whatever room makes you groan, needs something. Think glass candle holders. Get 1 or 2 in an unusual design, like tall hurricane glasses or rectangular colored glass. Find candle holders in unique finishes like mosaic, painted glass or cut aluminum. Use an eye-catching collection of colors, maybe deep moss green, sunshine yellow and burnt orange together.